Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to my channel. This is Diebulfrog79, and we have a busy day today, boys and girls. First, let's do a shout out. Okay, if you like and subscribe, hit that like button, hit the little bell, because Uncle Alan, let's see how many. Only got 1,031 videos to go. Then Uncle Alan's got to make his super preps, because the next big jump is going to happen, and I can't make these YouTube videos while the world's going to pot. So I only got about 1,000 videos left, and after that, you're on your own. Okay? First, I like this channel. I picked it up from Just in Time Prepping called Grizzly Taco. Hello, Grizzly Taco. Also, Rob Painless. Yes, I have a cruiser axe. And yes, my idiot nephew, if you can see that, left it in his truck, so I have to refix the handle and put linseed oil on it. And he dulled the hell out of my blade. So throughout this video, you're going to see me hold this axe. Okay, Uncle Alan still could swing this puppy. Sorry. I'm trying to keep this video under 15 or 16 minutes. I have a lot of stuff to cover. Okay, we're doing Secret Survivalist tips. Secret Survivalist tips. All right? And you kids out there, you unicorn preppers, gotta learn how to handle one of these things. This is a 5-pound cruiser axe, double bit. And I'm holding it with one hand. Okay? All right. Hello to Grizzly Taco. Kim Fries. Hello. Welcome aboard. LA Prepper. You're on my list, and I'm going to watch all your videos. That's going to give me a headache. But don't worry, I'll be watching your videos, LA Preppers. And if you have any questions, doesn't matter if it's stupid or not. I'm like Yoda or Yogurt or the little guy from Star Wars, you know, small. Excuse me, frog in the throat. Good hot tea. Like that little guy with the big ears, Yoda. Except Yoda didn't have an axe. I do. Okay, and Bent Out of Shape. I forgot to say hello. Welcome aboard, Bent Out of Shape. Commander Blogs, welcome aboard. And again, all you unicorn preppers, gotta learn how to handle one of these. Prepper Madness, yay! And also lately, Valentine, is it Valentine or Valentine? Yeah, Valentine Dormanu. Welcome aboard. And Hunting and Shooting Air Guns. Welcome aboard. Hope you like my stuff. Like I said, I got a lot of stuff to cover, and maybe I have to do 2 or 3 videos. So remember, you unicorn preppers out there, gotta know how to use an axe. Okay. Yeah, let's see. Uncle Alan's getting tired. This axe is heavy. Check my notes. Always have a note because time is precious on YouTube. Yeah, let's see. We did shout outs. Okay. Cooking, LA Prepper. Seeing your videos. You got to stop shopping at 99-cent store all the time. It's not bad. It's good. I used to do it all the time. But you got to go find a Winco and a local ethnic food market. Okay? This is Good and Cheap by Leanne Brown. Okay, she's a nutritionist and cook and master's in food studies. And she lives in New York. And you got buy on food for now about $5 a day, but back when I got this book, it's $4 a day. Good and cheap meals. Okay? If you want, you can download it on Kindle, and I think you get a local library, save some money. So anyway, that's the first book. And see, a lot of places they don't cover this flavor. So try to get this book. This is for LA Prepper. It's good and cheap. Okay. Cooking wise, you're eating too much sugar and too many carbs. I eat a semi-vegan diet. That's a little bit more vegan. But also I eat meat twice a week. I'm not that vegan. I can't stand that much vegan. Trust Uncle Alan. Okay. For Steve Foco. I gotta get up. Sorry about this, folks. Lord. Never have bad knees. Getting old. Okay, Steve, they make this right here. I'm Asian. I eat this all the time. It's Spam that's 25% less sodium. This in about 2 months will be gone. You could also soak it in water. And if you shred the Spam, put it in spaghetti sauce. She'll never know about it. Also, I make meatballs out of it too. Spam. If you know how to cook it, it's not that bad. This is going into one of my caches. Getting old. Now, when I was younger, my family used to make their own peanut butter, which really sucked. This is why I like Skippy. Now, Skippy Natural is great. You just got to stir it. When I was a kid, I used to eat homemade peanut butter sandwiches, which was horrible. You ever have a sandwich catch on fire? Okay, this is why I like market brand, Skippy name brand peanut butter. I got tired of fire sandwiches. Okay. Now, if any kind of FTS event happens, you got plenty of protein and oil in peanut butter. I'm getting tired. Do a lot of work. Okay. I gotta keep this. I got about a couple minutes left. So, for LA Prepper, try to subscribe to Princess Prepper and watch her videos on money-saving ideas and tips on kitchen. She's really good at it. Also, try to find a Winco. Getting old. Okay, for you beginning preppers, try to find a Winco or a big box store that benefits you. Costco, forget it. You don't have the budget for it. Look at your grocery store. Walmart's okay, but if you know how to shop, train yourself to shop. Train yourself to use $200, because I did this in LA. $200 will feed a person fairly good within a month. Sorry. Almost said year. Can't do that. Well, my time's almost up. I got to do a part 2 on this. I got a lot of work I have to do. And I got a lot of videos I got to complete. And Uncle Alan's getting tired. So like, subscribe, and join aboard because I got so much stuff I got to cover. It's not even funny.